Okay, I have some new pinion gears in. I had a 17 tooth, now I got a 12 tooth. So we'll see if this handles a little better. I also found some rusted bearings in the transmission that I replaced. Everything seems to be working good. Left, right, up, down. I don't have my head tracker yet, but it's coming soon. Alright, see how far I can make it today. My goal is to make it to the lookout again, but to do it without flipping over. It's harder now with the ruts that I made from yesterday. We got a snowstorm coming tomorrow, so we gotta get another run in today. So we might be able to tomorrow if the snow's too deep. Looks like I'm gonna tip over. So far so good. Alright, let's fix the roll. Whoa. Jeez. I had a 17 tooth pinion gear in. I went to a 12 tooth. And I'm still just as sensitive on the throttle. It doesn't seem to make any difference. I can't tell. Am I stuck on that or what? No, it looks like I'm going to clear it. Having a camera boom like this is so much better than just having a FPV camera sitting on the top and only having this view. I wouldn't be able to do near as much as I am with all of that. Now this is what I flipped over yesterday, and it was because of that stick. I'm going to flip again. Maybe I can go around it or something. Let me go up that way. I think I should be okay as long as I stay to the left. Oh, I gotta save my camera. I don't want it to get all caught up in that stick. Awesome. Taking a bit of a different route here. You'd be surprised at how easy it is to get lost. I think that's my trail right there on the other side of this brush right here. I'm going to go this way. None of this looks like my trail. I'm going to head in that direction. Oh, there it is. This is where I got stuck yesterday. I was stuck in there for about 10 minutes. And instead, I'm going to go around this way. See if I can find another way around. I think I'm going to head through there. Some more raccoon trucks. Better head to the right. It gets soft where you get the old ferns under the snow. Okay, where is the trail? I know I went to the right of it, so it's got to be up here. I'll head that way. There we go. Force my way through it. Oh, I see some tracks. I've been here before. I am completely lost. This looks familiar. Did I just go in a circle? Oh, there's my bridge. This is my trail. I'm on my trail. I think it's that one. Okay, made it to the bridge. It's all frosty, looks like. Man, I can't wait for my head tracking unit to get in here. So I could just look left, right, and up and down, and I don't have to let go of this controller to do it. Easy. I need new obstacles. I'm getting good at it. There we go. That's the meat sandwich. The last? Oh yeah. The rock crawl. Time to put more rocks here too. It definitely is easier to control, but I still don't have the control that I want. This is where my trail goes, straight ahead here, but I always take this bypass right here, which is not that much better. I'm going to try to make it up here again today. This time I'm going to go far to the left. Oh my god. Yeah. That's the first. Having a good run today. Besides getting lost. Really? And here's my look. I made it. That was pretty fast. I'm going to see if I can't make it back to my house. I don't think I can make it by going this way. Oh, wrong stick. I think that's way too steep. Yeah, especially with this boom. But I should be able to make it. I just follow this hill down this way.
Oh, lost my sound.
Oh, it's back. I have no idea. I'm just heading toward the lights. This is going to get pretty steep here. Yeah. Okay. Close enough. Saved me a little bit of walking out in the cold. Thanks for watching.